Hi, I'm Jane. I'm an employee here at ABS and also an instructor. We're going to talk about the projects for the next few months. I have been sewing since I was 5. I did give it up for a while when I was raising my family, but got back into quilting about 15 years ago. I enjoy it when people come into the store and show me their projects and helping them pick colors to go together for their projects. I sew on a Bernina and I absolutely love it, and I also enjoy teaching people the neat tips and tricks I've learned on my Bernina. Hope to see you here in the store again soon. So one of the projects that we're going to be doing in August in AccuQuilt is this pillow. I had demonstrated how to do it previously, but now we're going to actually make it. The background I'm going to show you how to make, and then you can actually put anything you want as far as applique on the front. Some of the applique that I have on this pillow came from the specialty set, cube set from Adagio Tar, or you could also use any other applique you want, like these dies with the horses and the boot. Again, it's going to be your design on the front after we make the background, and it makes a nice little throw pillow for your house. So this is another one of our AccuQuilt projects. This one I took a traditional pattern and translated it into the AccuQuilt system, and that's one of the things we're going to be doing in this class, is looking at a pattern and seeing how you can use it with your AccuQuilt system. So this is a yellow brick road. It's an easy quilt. It's good for beginners because they'll learn to rotary cut and the basics, and there's no matching points in the quilt. So if you're wanting to get into quilting, this is a really good quilt. It only takes 6 fat quarters in your backing and your binding and your border, so it's real simple and fast. Again, this is one of the classes that we're going to be offering at Authorized Back and Sew. Another one of my classes is going to be the ultimate travel bag. This is actually my mom. She took it to Alaska this summer for her cruise. It fit great under the seats in the airplane on the way up, and then she was able to put tons of stuff in it. It has a zipper pocket on the front, a pocket here, pockets on the side, pockets on the inside. On the back it has a pocket, and then it goes over your suitcase to help make traveling easier. It has short handles, or you can have an extended handle to do crossbody. So it was an absolute wonderful bag for when she was traveling.